Google just quietly gave every single person on earth their own video production team, and I don't think people have realized what just happened. I'm talking about a full camera crew, a full editing team, and an actor all inside one tool, and all you have to do is type a sentence, no camera, no microphone, no editing software. If you make videos or you're thinking about making videos or you run a business and you've been putting off making videos because it's too much hassle, this update just erased that excuse completely. Let me break down exactly what happened because it's bigger than it sounds. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. On July 16th, Google rolled out two new features inside a tool called Google Vids. One is called Gemini Omni, and the other is called Personal Avatars. Now, on their own, those names don't mean much, but together, they let you type a sentence and get a finished video clip back. Not a rough draft, not a first attempt, a finished clip. Here's the thing though, Gemini Omni isn't brand new. Google first talked about it back at their big developer event earlier this year. But this is the first time it's actually been put inside a tool that regular people and regular businesses can open and use today. And I'm telling you, that's the part that matters. A lot of AI tools get announced and then you don't see them for another year. This one's already live. Let me explain this in a way that actually makes sense. Think about how video used to work. If you wanted a video, you needed a camera, you needed a script, you needed someone who knew how to edit, and you needed hours of your time. That's basically building furniture from scratch. You need the wood, you need the tools, you need the skill, and you need the patience. Gemini Omni is like describing the chair you want to someone who already has all of that ready to go, and they hand you the finished chair back in minutes. You just describe what you want, and it builds it. And here's what I think people are sleeping on. This thing doesn't just create brand new clips from nothing. It can also work off stuff you already have, photos, sketches, or footage you filmed yourself. So say you film something on your phone, in your kitchen, and the lighting looks bad. You don't need to reshoot it. You just ask it to fix the lighting and it does. You're not scrubbing through a timeline for 2 hours trying to figure out which button does what. You're literally just having a conversation with it until it looks right. Now, here's the part I think is going to get people talking. Personal avatars. This is where you upload a selfie and a short voice recording, and Google builds a digital version of you that can read out a script on camera. So you type out the words, and your avatar says them in your voice with your face. Think of it like a stunt double, except this stunt double looks exactly like you and only works for you. I know what you're probably thinking right now. Isn't that a little dangerous? And look, Google clearly thought about that too. Making one of these avatars requires a secure verification step tied to your actual Google account, so somebody can just go make a fake version of you without your permission. Every clip made this way also carries an invisible watermark from Google DeepMind, so anyone can check whether a video was AI generated. At launch, it's English only, users have to be 18 or older, and it's not available yet in the EU, Switzerland, or the UK. So if you're in one of those places, this one's coming, just not yet. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, this isn't rolling out to absolutely everybody at once. Gemini Omni and personal avatars are going out to Google's paid AI subscribers, plus certain business customers on Google Workspace. And that's actually a smart move on Google's part if you think about it, because Vids already lives inside Workspace, which is the same place millions of businesses already keep their documents and their spreadsheets and their slides. Google's already said millions of videos have been made in Vids over the past year, even before any of this landed. So this isn't some random new app you have to go download and figure out. It's getting bolted onto a tool people already have open every single day. There's also a control switch for businesses. Company admins can actually turn the personal avatar feature off for their entire team if they want to, straight from the admin console. So nobody's forced into using this if their company doesn't want it turned on. That's a smart, responsible way to roll something like this out. And think about what this actually looks like in practice for a normal business. Onboarding videos for new staff, internal company updates, quick explainer clips, all of that used to mean booking a room, setting up lighting, doing multiple takes, and then handing it off to someone to edit. Now it's someone typing out what they once said and getting a finished clip back in the time it takes to make a coffee. That's not a small time saver. That's basically removing an entire department's worth of work. Here's why I think this is the real story. It's not really about Google. It's about what happens to video in general from here on out. A year ago, if you wanted a video made, you needed a whole setup or you needed to pay someone who had one. Now you need one clear sentence. That's it. And I'm not saying this to hype it up for no reason. Think about how many people avoid making videos because they hate being on camera, or they don't have decent lighting, or they don't know how to edit. Every single one of those excuses just got a lot weaker. If you can describe what you want in plain English, this thing can build it for you now. That's the trend you need to be watching. It's not just Google either. This is happening across pretty much every AI company right now. Tools that used to need a whole team behind them now just need one clear instruction from you. And the people who figure out how to actually use these tools early are always the ones who end up ahead, while everyone else is still sitting there saying, I'll learn that eventually. So don't sit on this one too long. This kind of tool is only going to get better and more available from here, and the people testing it out now are the ones who are going to know exactly what to do with it once everybody else catches up. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.